mid-weight, and it's made with the signature logo jacquard with leather trim, and it does have the color pop detail. And in the front here, we do have the removable side pockets that have a double zip closure that are perfect for a water bottle. There's one on this side. And here at the top, we have a zipped compartment for smaller essentials. Also, we have the adjustable straps here with the buckle closures to open it up. And there's a drawstring closure at the top. And it opens up to one main compartment lined with a smooth fabric. And on the inside, we have a padded tablet compartment and a zipped pocket on the outside of that. And on the other side, we have two open pockets and a pen tab. There's plenty of space for all your items. And in the back, we do have the padded straps that are adjustable, as well as a sternum strap with a buckle closure. I'm wearing this over the shoulder, and it sits comfortably in my lower back, and I'm 5'6" for reference. This is perfect for your next camping trip, and I would pair it with a sweatshirt, cargo pants, and boots.